Hey y'all, my name is Debbie. I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. So, I have a PR package from GBFKE. Thank you, GBFKE, for sending me this package to review on my channel. So, how is everyone doing? I hope all of y'all are doing great today. Today is Friday and I'm filming this PR unboxing. Now this was sent, like I said, from GBFKE. They chose and sent it to me to review on my channel. So these particular diamond paintings, they have ABs in them. So I did not open them yet. I just took them out of the package. So we're gonna get with it. So yeah, I hope everyone's doing good. It's hot over here. And the struggle wasn't too bad. All right, so this particular diamond painting, it comes with plate of wax, a pen with a squishy. I think this is a 10-placer and a 4-placer, and a pair of tweezers. The reason why you get a pair of tweezers, most of the time it's because it's a square drill. So like I said, they sent this to me and they sent me square drills. So let me see if I can straighten this up a little bit so y'all can really see it, because it's kind of wrinkly a lot. I don't mind the square drills, but not these. I rather, in budget-friendly paintings, I rather round drills. But, you know, they sent this to me, and I'm appreciative for it. And, yeah, it's real cute. It's just the paper is stuck to the, y'all. I'll take off all the glue. Good grief. The struggle is real. I'm on the struggle bus today. So let me kind of, it's real wrinkly, so give me a second. I'm gonna try to kind of straighten it up a little bit. All right, so this is called the watercolor owl. This particular painting is a 40 by 30 and it has 34 colors and it is square, and this is the thumbnail for it. It's real pretty, and this is the canvas itself. Look how pretty, and I love the roses, they're so cute. They do have a legend on both sides, and they do have, yep, and they also have DMC codes. So this is the color list, and the DMC codes are by the are listed as well, and it tells you right here. And like I said, they have 34 colors, and it is a square drill. And I'm gonna show y'all a close-up of the drill field. The drill field is clear. It's just, I do the square diamond paintings. I prefer round in the budget-friendly ones. I don't know what it is about the square, but this is real pretty. I love the roses. And I'm going to show y'all the drills to them in a second. Let's check the stickiness. The stickiness is great. So like I said, this is a 40 by 30. This is, I'm going to have both of these paintings, I have two, in the description portion of this video. I'll put a link to the website also, and to the paintings as well. Like I said, it is a 30 by 40 centimeter, and it is a square drill, and it's an owl. It's cute, so cute. Let's look at the drills. Now these, I'm gonna take these out. Well, I'm gonna show y'all the drills because they do have ABs in this particular, let me fix this. Hold on, y'all. I'm sorry. In this particular set of drills, they do have ABs, and I'm gonna show y'all the ABs. So these, as y'all can see, do come in baggies. The drills come in baggies. These are the colors. Here's some ABs, and I'm gonna flip it. I will take them out to show y'all though. So, let's see. I'm on the struggle bus to open this too. All right. Please. ABs, if you do not know what an AB is, it stands for Aurora Borealis. They have a special coating on top of the drill to make them sparkle even more. So I'm gonna take the ABs out and I'm gonna show y'all them. This is one set of ABs, one little pouch, whatever. It's purple. They're purple. Look how pretty they are. They're so sparkly. So I like those, and these are blue. And this came with the diamond painting. And let's see, they have more, y'all. They have this light blue. So this diamond painting has quite a few ABs in it. I didn't think it was gonna be that many, but they do. That's pretty. They have gray. They're really sparkly. So those are 1, 2, 3. Those are 4 ABs. They have a pink. Pretty pink. So there's 5 ABs. So this painting consists of 5 ABs, in which I just showed you guys, and which is super cool. I like them. Yeah. So that's the colors again. They have like some hot pinks and some light pinks, and the colors are a lot of light pinks, dark pinks. My guess is, let me see if I can guess where the I'm thinking, what I'm thinking is like, some of these ABs go in like the roses, as far as I can tell. As far as I can tell, they go in the roses and stuff like that. I don't know. I'm not sure. I know in the roses for sure because I recognize the color. But y'all go check them out. This is from GBFKE. Check out their website. This is a budget-friendly website. They have budget-friendly paintings, diamond paintings, and other items as well. So y'all go check them out. I'm going to put the link to everything, as I said before, in the description portion of this video. Hold on 1 second. I'm going to get y'all the next one. 1 second, because y'all know I'm a struggle. Let's see what else. Oh, this is cool too. Okay, so we have same thing, a tray, a plate of wax, and a diamond painting pen with a squishy, and a pair of tweezers. And they have a 10 placer, and this one doesn't have a 4 placer, but the other one did. Oh yeah, look right here. I'm sorry, I have one on the pin. So that comes with that. Everything you need to diamond paint is in here. Same thing, let me kind of fix this. Kind of straighten it out a little bit. Y'all, it's so hot. I say this every time. All right, so this one has 35 colors, and it is an owl as well. And this is the thumbnail for it. That's the thumbnail of the owl. And this is the actual painting. Oh, this one has a bunch of pretty colors in it. Very colorful, for sure. And like I said, the drill field is clear. I don't know if y'all could see that, but the drill field is very clear. And it is a square. It's a 40 by 30 centimeters, same size as the one before. And it's called, I think it's called Watercolor Owl. They have the legend on the right and the left side. And they do have DMC codes, same as the other one. So I hope y'all could see that. Same thing here. The stickiness is, pretty sure it's good. Stickiness is amazing, actually. It's very sticky. You'll have no problems. And now we're going to attempt to unbag the drills. We're gonna unbag these drills, but I'm not gonna take them all out. They do come in individual baggies, Ziploc baggies. It is a square, as I said before. Square drills. And I'm going to pull out the ABs for this one, and then I'll show y'all the colors. This one has quite a few ABs as well. They got some pretty AB. Cool. Cool. Yeah, they have a lot of ABs in this one. So, these are the AB colors that this diamond painting consists of. A whole big old bag of these, which is, it's labeled, it's AB 310. So it's 310 ABs, but yeah, 310 ABs. That's what it's, oh, I dropped it. I dropped it, but y'all saw that. These are pink. These are light pink, AB 152. These are so cute. These are AB 818. It's cool that they have what it is on the front. These is hard to tell, or hard to tell. These are AB 819. So these are 819. It's close to the other color. You probably can't see it good in the camera, but these are AB 823. These are pretty as well. These are AB 386. It's like a mauve-ish kind of color. Beige mauve-ish, I don't know. And this one is an AB 318. So DMC is 318. It's a gray. So those are the AB colors. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they have 7 ABs in this diamond painting, and it is a 40 by 30. So considering the size of this diamond painting and that it's square, it's really, the green field is really clear on it. I mean, I don't have no problems distinguishing colors on it. I mean, I really don't. For some reason, to me, on these square diamond paintings, I don't know if it's just me, but the squares look smaller, you know, like, and it may be, and it may not be, I don't know, it's just me. But the only thing, I would say about this is, instead of the letters, which it doesn't really matter, but the letters are not like, if you're looking at the painting, the letters to be right side up is like this. If you look at the letters, they're right side this way. But if you're looking at the painting like this, or if you're diamond painting like this, the letters are sideways. So that's the only thing that you'll have to watch out for as far as for that goes. And I think the reason they did that because of this, of the legend being on the sides of them. I'm not sure, I'm just saying, you know. But yeah, so those are the 2 ABs that were sent to me by GBFKE. And again, thank you GBFKE for sending me these packages to review. They're really pretty. The ABs are so pretty. I wasn't expecting them to be as well as they are, and they are nice. Very nice. So, with that said, I'm going to tell y'all goodbye for now, and thank y'all for watching. If you have not subscribed, please consider doing so and hit the like button. Bye!